Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the best way to manage refunds on Cash App. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. So let's get straight into it. Now, the best way to manage refunds on Cash App is clarity and proper documentation. Always confirm the original payment details, including the amount, recipients, and transaction notes before requesting a refund. Communicate clearly with the recipients through the app to arrange the return of funds. Avoid relying on screenshots or external messages as proof. Use Cash App's transaction history for verification. Enable notifications to track when the refund is received. If the refund is delayed or disputed, contact Cash App support with complete transaction information. Organized, prompt, and documented steps ensure refunds are processed smoothly and reduce the risk of confusions or errors. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.